Big day, big day. I'm testing out the firmware I already wrote for the AC power supply. And I got the controller plugged right in here and wired up. I got all the buttons are working, the LEDs are working. I tested those, but I figured I'd show you how the responsiveness, works really nice. And times 30 times 1 and up around here we're only off by about 20-30 millivolts, and that can be corrected because it's pretty constant. And I'm really only going for, like, say 0.1 amps. And what this is adjusting the reference voltage from the DAC that is going to be compared to the Hall effect sensor's voltage turned from amperage. So when the amperage in the Hall effect sensor goes above what is set for here, it's going to shut down these two right here. And those are the L and N for the actual AC. This one is going to switch between Hall effect sensor 1 and 2 when I press this guy, 30 and 1 amp. I'm only going to go up to 10 amps. I'm going to change that in the firmware once I get to it. And I've tested out the power tower by putting the voltage into one of those two and using my power supply, and it's worked out so far, so it looks like it's pretty well all good. Let's break that up and I'll show you. So on here we're running into where the Hall effect sensor would be putting a reference voltage in for what it's changed the amperage going through the circuit into a voltage to between 0 and 5 volts. And what that's going to be doing is going to be compared over here. And when this is going to stay on, the light is on. Now when it turns off, that means you have an over amperage. Now in here we have a 2.5 set for the over amperage, and we're at 2.47. So if I back up here, go just barely above that right there, and it's instant off. See that? Go a little under, a little under, over. So she's kicking off fairly effectively. It's all come together very nicely. Now when that kicks off, I'm going to be kicking these off when it kicks on, and kick these back on. And also some SSRs which have heat sinks and everything, and those will be for speed and these will be for need. You can turn on slow, but turning off is times of the essence when you're in an over amperage situation. Alright.